Hey everyone, what if you can use characters, photos to act as performers, scene images set the stage, and object images serve as props? Even with most of the AI tools, this sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. In this video, I am going to show you one of the most powerful AI video creation tools available right now. It's called Vidu. Whether you are working with text prompts, still images, or a combination of both, Vidu transforms them into smooth, high quality videos that look like scenes straight out of a film. But what really blew me away is their newest feature, reference to video. You upload a few images and this AI literally connects the dots and generates a fully animated video with camera motion, realistic transitions, and emotions. It's like your visuals come to life without needing any editing skills at all. If you are an advertisement producer, digital artist, or just someone who loves experimenting with AI, this is something you need to see. I will walk you through everything step by step, and yes, the link is in the description below if you want to try it out while watching. Let's get started and see just how powerful Vidu really is. Here you will notice 4 powerful tools prominently displayed at the top of the page. Reference to video. This is the most recent and advanced feature. It allows you to upload several reference images, for example a character, a background, or props, and automatically generates a video by combining those elements intelligently. Next is image to video. With this tool, you can take a single image and animate it into a video, bringing the still image to life. Text to video. Just write a prompt and Vidu will convert your text into a full creative video even if you don't upload any images. AI sound effects. This feature allows you to automatically add suitable background music or sound effects to your video based on the timing, atmosphere, and emotions of the scene. Let's begin by using the main feature, reference to video. To start, the first step is selecting a video model. Vidu offers several AI models, each with different capabilities. Vidu Q1, the latest model offering the highest visual clarity and overall quality. For this demo, I will be selecting Vidu Q1 so we can get the best visual output. Now we move on to uploading reference images. You can upload anywhere between 1 to 7 images. I am going to upload few images for this demonstration. These reference images help the AI keep visual consistently throughout the video, like facial features, clothing, backgrounds, and other important details. Once the images are uploaded, the next step is to enter your text prompt. This prompt tells the AI what you want the video to be about, such as the scene, emotions, or actions. There is also a pro mode option that you can enable. Even turned on, Vidu enhances your prompt automatically by adding more detail and richness to your input. Now it's time to customize the video settings. Select the duration of your video, choose the resolution, it supports up to 1080p, pick a movement style for the camera or animation, set the aspect ratio depending on your platform. After finalizing these settings, click on the generate button and let Vidu handle the rest. The AI will now start creating your video based on the reference images and your prompt. Once it's done, you will see the final output on your screen. Now that the video is ready, take a close look at the result. Vidu has successfully taken my uploaded images and prompt and turned them into a smooth, realistic, and high-resolution cinematic video. The clarity, flood motion, and detailed stylings are all very impressive. Once your video is generated, you can download it directly to your device. Next, let's explore the image to video feature. This tool allows you to turn a single image into a video. Here is how it works. First, select the video model you want to use, just like we did earlier. Then upload your main image, the character or object that will be animated in the video. You also have the option to upload a background image. While this is optional, it helps the AI generate a more accurate setting or environment for the video. Write a text prompt describing what should happen in the video. You can describe the action, emotional tone, or even the camera movements. Now choose the duration, set the resolution, select the aspect ratio, decide the video quality. Once everything is filled out, click on the generate button. After a short wait, your video will be created. And the result, it's stunning. The animation adds lifelike expressions, movements, and cinematic flair. It really feels like the image has come to life. Now let's try out the text to video tool. This feature doesn't require any image at all. All you need to do is write a prompt describing the scene or story, and it will generate a video based entirely on your text input. So select your video model, choose the video duration, decide how many videos you want to generate and click generate. After processing, your video will appear. And you can see the output video is extremely clear and visually stunning. The movement, lighting and detail all match the prompt perfectly. It's amazing how precisely it understands and visualizes the text. And if you want to add background sounds or effects, the AI Sound Effects tool lets you generate custom audio to match your scenes. In the text box, describe the sound you want, click create, preview the sound and adjust the timeline for perfect syncing. When satisfied, export your sound. Now let's explore one of more powerful section, video template. This part of video is filled with a variety of trending templates that are ready to use. These are especially helpful for quickly creating engaging, professional looking videos with minimal effort. To use a template, choose one of the top trending options from the list, upload your image, click generate, and it will apply the template's animation and styling to your image automatically. The quality and attention to detail are top notch. So the platform is flexible, beginner friendly and produce stunning results in just a few clicks. You will find the link in the description. Go ahead and try it for yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.